Hi, everyone. We're the Rockets.
I'm Muffy. I'm Susie. I'm Jasmine.
I'm Spencer.
I'm Nick.
And Jennifer. We're here every Saturday morning.
So turn us on.
We'll be singing and dancing. And wearing glitzy costumes.
And trying to keep you kids out of trouble.
So join us.
Saturday mornings.